6:46 on your Friday morning. We need to check in with Storm Tracker meteorologist Carson. Meredith, there is now a tornado watch in effect for parts of North Alabama.
We are already hearing that wind from time to time whipping outside. What is our timeline? What are we looking at?
As far as the storms are concerned, 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. The tornado watch is for areas along and west of I-65. This includes the Quad Cities, Lawrence County, Limestone, Morgan, and Madison counties. This watch is until 1 o'clock this afternoon. Now, if you're watching us in Scottsboro, Guntersville, Fort Payne, technically you are not under a tornado watch right now, but I guarantee you this watch will be extended to include the rest of northeast Alabama later this morning. We're just focused on areas along and west of 65 for now because those areas will see the storms first today. On the early warning radar network, we do have a bit more widespread shower activity across Jackson and DeKalb counties. This is not severe by any means. Most of you are seeing some mist and drizzle as well, so if you are heading out the door this morning, grab that umbrella. Let's scoot to the west. This line of storms that continues to intensify in Mississippi is on its way to North Alabama. It's about 120 miles away from the Alabama-Mississippi state line. That would give this an estimated arrival sometime in the 9 o'clock hour. Could be 9:15, 9:30, 9:45. We'll just have to see if this line of storms speeds up as it continues to intensify. But this is going to be our concern for severe weather later this morning. And this is a quick moving system. So by 3 o'clock this afternoon, our severe weather threat is done. In fact, we may have some sunshine later on this afternoon. Go figure. Now, in addition to the severe storm potential, we have extreme wind gusts outside of storms throughout the day. A very rare high wind warning covers most of North Alabama, all of southern Tennessee until 6 o'clock tonight. So over the next 12 hours, we could see wind gusts as high as 50, maybe 60 miles per hour. Again, completely unrelated to thunderstorms. These kind of wind gusts combined with the saturated ground from all the rain we had Wednesday night and Thursday could make trees more susceptible, that is, to falling down. That's also going to increase our power outage potential today as well. No need to be alarmed by any means, but just make sure your phones are charged up in case you do lose power today. Now, as far as the severe weather is concerned, damaging wind gusts within those storms could get as high as 70, maybe 75 miles per hour. There will be the chance for a few spin-up tornadoes, very similar to what we saw on Wednesday night. But because this is a quick-moving cold front, we are not concerned about flooding this time around. Here we go with future radar. There you see that line of storms just west of I-55 in Mississippi right now. It will approach the Mississippi-Alabama border during the 9 a.m. hour. That line of storms races through the shoals. It's out of the Quad Cities by 11 a.m., moving towards the I-65 corridor between that 11 a.m. maybe towards noon hour. Storms are done here in the metro by about noon, rolling through northeast Alabama into the early afternoon, and our severe weather threat is done by 2 o'clock today. Stay with us on all of our platforms, on air, online at WadeTV.com, and on the Wade 31 Storm Tracker weather app as well. Download that app. You can live stream our coverage, and you'll get watches and warnings as soon as they are issued. And of course, we'll have constant updates for you throughout Good Morning America as well.